types of Hajj. There are three types of Hajj. Number one, Qiran. Number two, Tamattu'. Number three, Ifrat. Now the definitions. Qiran. It is the most preferred type of Hajj. The performer of this Hajj is called a Qarin. For this Hajj, the intention of both Hajj and Umrah is made together after Ihram has been put on. After performing Umrah, a Qarin cannot get Halq or Qasr done. Rather, he will remain in the state of Ihram as usual. On the 10th, 11th or 12th of Dhul Hijjah, after having Halq or Qasr done and offering sacrifice, Qurbani, he will remove his Ihram. Tamattu'. The performer of this type of Hajj is called Mutamatti'. Those coming from outside Miqat in the months of Hajj can perform this Hajj. For example, the people from Indo-Pak, UK and Europe usually perform Tamattu'. The convenience that lies in it is that a Mutamatti' after performing Umrah can get Halq or Qasr done and remove his Ihram. Then on the 8th of Dhul Hijjah or before it, Ihram of Hajj is put on. Ifrat. The performer of this type of Hajj is called a Mufrid. This type of Hajj does not include Umrah. Only the Ihram for Hajj is put on. The residents of Makkah and Hilli, that is those living between Haram area and Miqat. Example, the people of Jeddah perform Hajj Ifrat.